Good morning. The shipment has arrived.
Excellent. Let's get this unloaded carefully.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way.
Aren't they magnificent? We have everything prepared.
Everything looks optimal here. The nutrition plan is clearly working. Yes, they are in peak condition.
The cardiac rhythm is strong, and his blood panel looks excellent.
Data confirms optimal health markers across the board, Doctor.
The cardiac efficiency is exceptional for his size.
Agreed. The cellular regeneration markers are also high.
Look at this data point. The fluctuation is significant. I see it. Rerunning the laser sweep on the left horn now. The lower molars look good, but I'm seeing some calculus buildup on the upper right.
Vitals are stable, Doctor. X-ray pulled up on screen 3.
Can you stabilize that image right there, please?
Yes, Doctor. Adjusting the gain and depth on the hologram now. See how the curve aligns perfectly with the scan data here.
The texture on the prototype is close, but the resolution on the horn shows deeper grain.
The geometric patterns are handled by the 5-axis machines, giving us this flawless finish. Ensure the manifest matches the container number. Already scanned it, Supervisor.
The detail on the horn is incredible.
And the way the crystal lighting highlights the patterns is just masterful.
The craftsmanship on these horn rings is simply exquisite, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely stunning. The texture is quite remarkable.
Look at the craftsmanship on this bracelet. It's absolutely stunning.
I know, right? This ring is perfect. I'm definitely getting it.
Look at the detail on this bracelet. It's stunning. I know, and the finish is so glossy.